bus from Mumbai by road. This brings our total number of active cases to 39. Today we sent 583 samples for testing. We received 573 reports and we are awaiting 37 reports. Suspects under hospital isolation are 4. Interstate domestic travellers quarantined 356. Travellers in facility quarantine 340. Total quarantine 606. Today in our board exams we had the first language paper for 12th standard and the total number of students who appeared are 1,91,271. And our 12th standard board exams are over already. Just a moment, I'll just verify that figure once more for you because I just want to be doubly sure about the board exam figures. Sorry, I stand corrected. It is 19,127. 19,127 students for board exam. In Maharashtra, 190 students. In Karnataka, 33 students. Total, and then of course the students who gave the exam in Goa, 19,127. No, that's my mistake. That's why I quickly checked because in my notebook what I noted down is wrong. 19,127. I've just checked the message that Director Education sent me. 12th standard board exams got over yesterday, so now 12th standard boards are completely over. We would encourage our 12th standard students to now focus on the various competitive exams. Many dates are already declared, so I take this opportunity to wish them all the very best and also encourage them to prepare well. Now, ever since the central government allowed the domestic air travel from the 25th of this month, there have been questions about what protocol the state of Goa will follow. Now, we have taken a decision and I'm sharing it with you here. Every passenger who comes by road, air or rail, it will be a uniform protocol. The first level will be the thermal screening. After the thermal screening at the entry point, if the person is cleared after thermal screening, if the person is not cleared after thermal screening, if there is any symptom of fever, which is what we check during thermal screening, we will immediately, of course, take the person for the testing. We will collect the swab and do the test. If the person clears the thermal screening, then the person will have 2 options before him or her. The first option before the person will be to get the test done, to get the COVID test done. We will take the swab and the person has to pay rupees 2,000 to cover the test of the costing of the test. Or the second option given to that person will be to go for 14-day home quarantine after the home quarantine stamp is put on him or her. So these 2 options will be part of a self-declaration form which each and every person coming in through air, road or rail will have to furnish to the authorities at the time of the entry. Be it entry point check post for the people coming by road, be it railway station which will be the entry point for those travelling by rail, or be it the airport which will be the entry point for the domestic air passengers. As you are already aware, we have protocols in place for the stranded Indians who are coming by sea or the stranded Indians who are coming from abroad. International passengers we treat as a different category. Those protocols are already in place. There will be no change in those protocols. Those protocols will continue. This will be the new protocol for the remaining 3 categories that I have explained. That's it from me.
From Monday, madam. This is from Monday.
Yes.
This is the first time that those who...
I would suggest that the Secretary Revenue speak and then we'll take this.
Hi, good evening, and so far 22 trains have left Goa. 2 more trains will leave today. One to Odisha and another to Jharkhand. Yesterday in the 6 trains which went to UP, 9,652 people have left Goa, and as yesterday a question was raised about the Margao, I personally visited and seen that that crowd has thinned on the road. People are there they are gathering in Navlin sport shelter home. Otherwise, the people rush has reduced after 6 trains have gone yesterday to the UP. Today, 2 trains have come. One Rajdhani, which terminated in Goa, or 281 passengers came out of it, and their testing is going on. Earlier in the day, 26 passenger also came in another train. So far, 50,569 passengers people have left Goa since 29th April 2020.
Can you repeat, sir?
50,569 and 4,934 people have come in, including the people who came by flights, seafarers. Otherwise the number is 4,461. Another data I would like to share today is the number of people who have downloaded Arogya Setu app in the state is 2,49,784. Compared to our size, I think a good number of people have downloaded this app, and they have updated their status. On fine collection, I'll say total fine collection till now is 60,59,900. 103 cases, fresh cases were booked in the previous 24 hours on spitting, and on non-wearing of mask, 547 cases have been booked. So total violation till now since the lockdown was imposed is 53,542. On the issue of private buses, we have checked that Director Transport has actually challan for enforcing these safety measures which have been prescribed by the MHA. 3 private buses and 1 KTCL buses. Even with the enforcement action, many private buses have gone to they have even made a small protest. But we are continuing with the action, and other safety measures as I yesterday shared, we are already taking. So this is so far from our side.
Ma'am, yesterday some TrueNet testing, 3 tests were supposed to be confirmed, and today morning also there were 3.
Supposed to be confirmed?
Many confirmatory.
Okay.
Yeah. And today morning again 3 were sent for confirmatory tests. All those were negative?
The official information that I've shared with you is that there is one person who's confirmed today. Alright, so yesterday Sadhguruji had raised about 3 TrueNet. I said that yes, in TrueNet screening 3 had come positive, but only one of them has tested positive in confirmatory test.
Okay.
I am not aware of these other 3 that you are mentioning.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, madam, more manpower will be required now for this new SOP. Everybody has to go for the test. People will prefer for going for test. Or
You see, we are in fact happy if people prefer to go for the test. I'll share with you, because that gives us and everybody else a sense of confidence that they have been tested. So you see, we are prepared. We are prepared. Whatever numbers come, we will be prepared. We are aware of the fact that it is a challenge for us. I mentioned on the very first day. But we are enhancing our testing capabilities, and we will plan the protocol in such a way that we'll be able to manage.
any proposal of insisting of COVID negative certificate from domestic passenger?
The protocol that I just described is what the government has taken as a final decision. Yes.
The Union Minister today said that person having a Arogya Setu app and coming from a green zone, his status is green. There is no requirement for a test. So is the state differing from the central?
Not at all. In the Civil Aviation Ministry's own guidelines, the very last sentence says that upon arrival of the passenger in the particular state, the passenger has to follow the protocol as laid down by the state. So that provision gives every state the liberty to have their own protocol. We are using that liberty. Yes.
Is it the guidelines of the
Guidelines of Ministry of Civil Aviation.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what would be this SOP which Goa shall be outlining SOP for passengers and different it would be?
This SOP is what I just described.
Yeah.
But what we are doing is we are making, to avoid confusion and to make it completely streamlined, we are saying that this will be the SOP not only for domestic air passengers, but also for those coming by rail, also for those coming by road. Because see, increasingly we are expecting large number of people to come by train also. Large number of trains are being added. So this SOP will remain the same. The SOP for domestic air passengers is what I just mentioned, which is also going to be the SOP for rail passengers and for road
But it
passengers.
will be formulated by the state or what?
Yes, this is a decision taken by the state government, by government of Goa.
Madam, those who don't go for testing, they have to go for 14 days quarantine.
Yes,
no?
they have to go mandatorily for 14 days quarantine. They are giving us a declaration that they will abide by 14 days home quarantine. We will be stamping them. Furthermore, the list will be immediately transmitted to our medical officers, who with the help of panchayat and municipality as well as local police will maintain strict watch. And you are already aware that we have that system of putting a sticker outside the homes of those people who are in home quarantine. So all these measures will be taken.
This
And those,
test
who,
is
those who are tested negative, they are free to go.
Those who are tested negative, see, they give their sample, we test it, they are negative, they are free to go. Yes.
This is
Till that time they will be quarantined.
true that. No?
You see, what we have thought of is quarantining is what is a burden in terms of getting the infrastructure, in terms of getting what Sadhguruji mentioned about having manpower. A whole lot of manpower is required for quarantining itself. So if we ask people to wait, so many air passengers coming every day, so many rail passengers coming every day, what we are interested is, we are taking the swab and same day we are testing it. So let them go. That is not a problem for us. We will immediately contact them and get them. But they have to, part of this declaration is also that those who are opting for testing, they will maintain isolation till the test result comes. So that is part of what they have to declare in the self-declaration form. We are drafting that form. With all these preconditions, we will be drafting a self-declaration form which will be common for all
They have
modes.
to isolate it at the airport only?
No, not at the airport. They will maintain self-isolation. They are free to go because the moment we hold them, you see at the airport, if we hold passengers coming flight after flight after flight, at the railway station, train after train, that is when we have a logistical issue.
But who will-
So,
But suppose the result comes after 2
Yeah,
hours or 3
2
hours,
hours,
Yes.
the person can reach anywhere in Goa.
Yeah,
because
anywhere in
absolutely. But we have the phone number, we have the contact details, we have the entire details of the person with us. All of this will be part of the form. And the person is declaring that this information is accurate. If not, he or she is liable for action under 188, under Disaster Management, under Epidemic Disease Act. So all of these precautions will be taken. Duly, we will be formulating that form, and of course we will be sharing it further details once that form is ready. By probably tomorrow we'll be in a position to share the details of the form.
But
We
there's
talk
also
about-
risk, that these people may go and meet some people and all that.
Yeah, that's what.
That risk is there.
Yes, the risk is there, but we expect the people who are coming into Goa to act responsibly. Furthermore, they are declaring something, they are giving their signature, and we are making them aware of what the consequences will be if they are found to be violating it.
Ma'am, you spoke about
Yes, but, just a moment. You please. Yeah. No, but that's yes.
You spoke about isolation, so how
Yeah.
the government or anybody will keep an eye on this person, because whether they will do that complete isolation themselves on their testing and all, which you all want and all.
See, that is why I'm mentioning that it will be part of the declaration that they are giving. For that matter, if they give the option that we will be quarantined for 14 days, there again we have to maintain a watch on them, no? To ensure that they are maintaining their home quarantine. So yes, we will have to have that home quarantine measure for the 14 days. Similarly, those who we have not yet tested negative, definitely we have to be more vigilant, we have to be more alert about those people. We have all the details. Do remember that we have the exact details of the person, phone number, address, everything will be there with us. The form will contain all those details. So it will not be difficult for us to track the person.
Whatever all said is well and said and fine. The important issue is that the transmission of this virus. No?
Yeah,
So
it's
they
about
might move
tracking
around.
the person.
See, this is a
Without
decision.
contacting
This is a
anything.
decision taken by the state government. I have shared with you the protocol that the state government feels is practical and feasible to be implemented, with ensuring that the maximum possible measures are being taken for the safety of the people.
not
This
a-
is a decision taken by
But
the
is it not
government.
a risk?
Next question, please.
Ma'am, I just have a question about the capacity of the health services right now to conduct tests.
Yes.
In a day, how many tests can you conduct? Just so that there's a little more clarity vis-a-vis the SOPs that you just mentioned.
Yes. So on an average, we are now conducting close to, there are days when we have had big trains coming in the Rajdhanis. We have conducted close to 1,000, 1,200 tests also
So you've already
in a single day. And this capacity can be ramped up. We are already thinking of expanding, not just thinking, we have in fact proposed it on file, we have got the approval for expanding our testing capacities by getting more machines. You may be aware of the high capacity machine we are getting for GMC. These were all steps taken in anticipation of the future situation where we will have to ramp up. So that way, what I mentioned is our current capacity, but very soon it is going to be added on, and it
Any
is going to be.
timeline on that, ma'am?
The machine will be there with us very shortly. We have got all the procedural approvals, so it's just a matter of getting the supply,
Okay.
which will be done very
Just
quickly.
a second question for clarity about the home quarantine.
Yes.
So at the end of the 14 days quarantine,
Yes.
will they be tested or anything?
No, that is not a part of the protocol that the state government has
So if
decided.
they develop symptoms, they are supposed to self.
Absolutely. In fact, through the 14 days, they will be contacted by our medical officers over phone. They will be contacted, and it will be checked with them whether they have any issues, they have any symptoms. We are of course telling them on their own to contact us as well, but more importantly, we will be maintaining touch with them within the 14 days. Anytime there is any the issue that they encounter, which by the way is already what we are doing for the road passengers. For 14 days, we have told them, even beyond 14 days for that matter, they have the number of the nearest PHC, CHC, and we have requested them to be in touch with us. We are also cross-checking from time to time. Now, this particular group, home quarantine monitoring will be a very, very important part of the new SOP that I've just described. We will be supplementing, boosting the number of people who will be available for helping us do this. We have our Ayush doctors as well, who have been so far taking care of the quarantine centers. Now we will be using their services for maintaining the home quarantine protocols. So we are already planning and working on that.
Ma'am, don't you feel that there might be a confusion, especially in areas like societies, flat areas, because recently there was one person who was supposed to be quarantined in his own house, but the whole society gathered and they were not allowing him to get quarantined, and in fact they were telling him to go to that quarantine like well at the residences and all.
Ma'am, may I add to his question? The 20th meeting of the SEC discussed this issue of social acceptance.
Yes.
And the director and the collector was supposed to create awareness among the people. Has anything been done with regards to this? Because people are not accepting. In our area also, Saligaon, Kalambot, wherever, the people are not ready to accept. The societies and residences there.
Right from the beginning, both central and our own state government has been saying that we should not stigmatize the people who are COVID. That we are not even talking about positive people here. The messages don't even stigmatize the COVID positive. These are people who have only happened to travel from outside. And I agree that there are instances where residential colonies, societies have raised objections. You are right that it was discussed in the SEC. So the awareness is part and parcel. All of us are part of that effort. We must all in fact build up awareness that there is no need to have the stigma towards COVID-19. We have to come with a sort of humane approach, and that day of stigma is over, meaning that should never have been there, but if at all it was there, we should move beyond that. That should be a concerted effort of all of us. I would encourage and I would request media friends also to create in their own way this type of awareness. Let us not have a sort of negative approach towards this and a stigmatizing approach. That's the only way we can work it out.
Ma'am, any update on the zone change in Goa? Because there has been some anxiety in the public about that. Whether because of the sudden rise in cases, whether the zone has changed.
Not at all. The zoning is something that is now to be decided by state governments. You are aware of the latest health ministry protocols. Zoning is to be done only if there is first of all, we don't have any local cases in Goa. All of them are still cases which are from outside. So there is no possibility so far of a person within Goa transmitting to people in and around him. Only when that happens do we need to think about changing the zoning, etc. So Goa in the central government's own database also very much remains in the green zone. You can check in fact online
I
too.
just did
Yes,
that.
yes.
Just give me a clarification on this seafarers issue, ma'am.
Yes.
Now, would they go 14 or it will be the same applicable for
I
them?
said seafarers come under the category of standard Indians.
Okay.
The protocol for seafarers has already been decided,
Decided.
already being
So that's
followed.
separate.
That will remain, yes.
14
Similarly, the standard passengers who are coming by air, that also remains a separate protocol which will continue.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
टूरिस्ट लोग गोवा में आने के लिए चाहते हैं तो वो लोगों को गोवा गवर्नमेंट ने वेलकम करेगा?
इसके बारे में मैं अभी कुछ कमेंट नहीं करूंगी. मैं जो आपके साथ शेयर कर रही थी ये प्रोटोकॉल है जो डोमेस्टिक एयर पैसेंजर्स का जो एंट्री है उसको मन में रखते हुए हमने बनाया था, जो रेल और रोड के लिए भी कॉमन रख रहे हैं.
What if they don't have a local address?
Correct.
What if they don't have a local address? Then they will be staying somewhere, right? They would have probably booked a hotel or they would be staying somewhere. They have to declare where they are going to stay in Goa. Without that, we are not going to allow them to move. We will allow them to move only if all the details that we require are duly filled up in the form.
And what is the present status of the COVID hospital? Is it because of this that because it is getting filled up and all?
Who said it is getting filled up?
I'm just asking.
No. I've described the number of beds already. Our total number of active cases, I told you, are 39. Our bed capacity, I don't want to again repeat, 170 bed capacity to be increased to 220. We are a long way away from filling up of COVID hospital. And we also have, as I already explained on the very first day of press conference, we have our plan for expansion also. So there is no, right now there is absolutely no situation of COVID hospital getting full or anything.
Ma'am,
We are very comfortable.
What you said seems to be differing from what Health Minister has just tweeted. He said that state will make it mandatory for COVID negative certificate before the person embarks or
Yes.
disembarks.
What I told you is the decision taken by the government, which SEC has empowered me and my colleague to share with you.